Hey guys, this is Tech Racer and today we are going to unbox the DigiSol DGBR4000NE wireless broadband router, and it's a budget basic wireless broadband router you can get, and we bought it for rupees 1300, but the price quoted on the box is 1867. And a very simple box we have, and let's see what's on the box. So at the back we have 4 easy steps to install. It's just an installation guide and a few other products from DigiSol. So that's it at the back side, and at the uh, left side of the box we have the dimension, means the physical what we have in the box contents, etc. And at the right side we have the technical specifications such as the uh, wireless frequency, status LEDs, and other things. So guys, let's quickly open the box and see what's inside that. So after opening the box, first we see the router itself. So let's take it out. So this is the router, and the router feels pretty light. And then we have the power brick itself, and the voltage stated here is the 12 volts 500 milliamp DC power adapter. And then we have a cardboard, and they do have provided an Ethernet cable for connecting the wireless router to your ADSL modem. Then we have a quick installation guide for setting up the router. So not great stuff. It's almost simple, almost similar on every routers. So then we have a warranty certificate. So after that, and last but not the least, is the installation guide disc. So it's the resource CD for installing the software for configuring the router. So that's it from the box. So guys, now let's take a look at the router itself, and this is the router. So let's take it out from the plastic bag. So this is the router. As you can see, it is a glass like finish at the top, and then we have the DigiSol branding, the model number, and 8 status LEDs here. First is the power, second is the wireless, third is the WPS, fourth is the PAN connection, and rest 4 are the LAN connection ports. And at that back we have a ventilator, so many ventilation vents, and the IP address for configuring the router. And at the top we have a 3 dBi omnidiagonal antenna. Then we have a reset switch, a power on off button, a power cord jack, a WAN port, and 4 LAN ports. And last but not the least is the WPS switch. So so it is a very basic router for light home usage. So guys, if you found this video helpful, do hit that like button and subscribe button, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.